As soon as he turns his back and goes on the chippy run, I am going to take the camera around and see if his build is truly as good as we all think it is. Milner. This is Milner, the latest build from APE ADVENTUREVANS, and he's going to kick my ass because I am going to see if I can cram 4 months of hard graft, labour, sweat, blood, tears into 5 minutes. Start the clock. APE 7, the 7th build to date, Milner, and it is by far the nicest one to date. All jokes aside regarding the name, that is the name of Thor's hammer. The names of the vans are actually chosen by Andy's children. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Andy has definitely perfected the build from factory on these vans. They are perfectly suited as a base vehicle to be turned into a camper van. So from factory, we have the twin comfort captain seats with armrest. We have electric sliding door, electric windows, air conditioning, 360-degree camera, 6-speed, rear wheel drive, 315 in this color. Take a quick look at the outside. We have the aluminium mule vans, wheel carrier and ladder. Color-coded Delta 4x4 wheels. Hasn't gone for all terrains this time. I believe they are a cross-terrain tyre. A bit better for MPG, a little bit better for noise, if that is your concern. Milner. Custom-made roof rack. Custom-made here in the UK. Once again, aluminium. A little nod there to the APE itself. Love these graphics along the bottom. Can we take a look? I'm breaking all the rules right now. He's going to kill me when he sees this video. Absolutely beautiful. Got the THULE awning. I believe 280 watts of Victron solar at the front. Loads of panel, lots of roof panel. This roof rack is in fact a one-off. Andy's had this design. Look at that, how it dodges that reverse camera. Absolutely beautiful. And unlike some of the others, the deck is actually on the higher portion. Max fan at the rear. Lots of space for any cargo or sitting up here, which people say they do. I doubt they actually do that. What an absolutely beautiful welcome to a van. Look at the abutments. Devil's in the detail, guys. Honestly, you get them things right and you're onto a winner. Let's go. Milner has the driving capability of 4 people. You could, in fact, because of the AMF BRUNZ floor, add an additional seat. So these chairs are quick release, and I have shown you this before, but at the moment it's in the driver passenger and plus 2 extra rear passengers. But you can, in fact, add a third to this rail or push it further back into there. This is honestly, I mean, check these seats out. Look at them seats. That there is just like my tummy. Versatility of this floor is absolutely cracking, because if you wanted to or needed to, you can actually remove this seat, so you've only then just got what I call a jump seat for that third person, and that will give you a bit more space on the entrance. But we have 2 galley kitchens. We have the Dometic CFX. Use your little foot. Oh yeah. Followed by the Ninja air fryer. Absolutely cracking way to cook nowadays in a van. First rule of having an air fryer, tell everybody you got an air fryer. Storage, I mean, look at the craftsmanship in that drawer. I would be happy to have built that drawer base, just that. Loads of storage here under the kitchen sink. Now I believe, and this question will get asked, that is to store, if you want one, a porta potty. A marine sink, inside joke that. Absolutely beautiful, this underslung sink on this hard. This is a first for APE ADVENTUREVANS. We want to call it granite, but I think it's something like corian or quartz, something like that. But this is actually a hard polished surface, and the color combo on this is absolutely gorgeous. I believe this stuff is called Velcromat or something like that. It's all built in-house, CAD design to match the graphics on the outside of the van. It's absolutely gorgeous. All of this furniture is made in-house. Ever wondered how best to back your units off, guys? This is how. One flare from FLARESPACE without window for the pillow end, and one with magnetic window blinds. If you're wondering where these come from, reach out. I mean, that click, absolutely gorgeous. Check this out. Check this out. One-handed. What are we saying about that? I wonder if you'll notice. I took that. You won't notice if I do. Look at that. He's definitely not noticing if I take that. What do we think of the colour combinations? Because if you told someone you were going for black frontals with wood effect carcasses, they'd think you're off your head. Without doubt, this is a beautiful place to be. Somehow, it is still soft enough that it isn't a man cave. Always pushing the boundaries of what comes next, and I love him for that, because these are somehow getting better and better, and they have to be taking longer and longer, because everything that once was just a plain panel, so for example that step, has now got something to it. You can look everywhere. It is a feast for the eyes. It is an absolute feast for the eyes. So this ceiling with the strip lights in it, that once was just a few downlighters, but now it's strips that are actually incorporated into the ceiling. It's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. Timber door for those long items or sporting gear that you want to pass through here. Bicycle, the front wheel of a bicycle to come through there. Andy has the last 1% to do, so forgive me for not showing you the finished article. There's a piece of trim to go there, and they are basically just stopping the dust going in all the cracks while he's doing his work, that kind of thing. I mean, who does this? Who does this? That is just next level. It's just beautiful. This is handcrafted, and that's the difference. It's not mass produced. Every single van gets a tiny bit better and better every single time. Outside shower, the usual artwork, 320 amp hours of VICTRON energy, I believe, courtesy of BSPK solar. And what do we think about this? What do we think about this? Did we even know this was an option? Did we even know that this existed? From factory, crazy the stuff that we don't know exists that you can get from factory. This guy has just sat there and searched and questioned, what's this code, what's that code? Check it out. Honestly, that cleans up the back of the van. The attention to detail in these vans is absolutely beautiful. You've only got to take a look at his Instagram page to see that he is a perfectionist. There is no that'll do blood in this man's veins. If you use the discount code UAO10, you will get 10% off of this van. I wish I had that kind of power, but I don't, I'm afraid. I do believe this van is for sale. It might not be by the time this goes out, I don't know. 1% to completion, but honestly, I can see in that screen there how fantastic it looks, and I just hope that I've done it justice.